Google recently introduced the Gemini AI model, which offers promising growth potential as it is deployed across the Google platform. Aside from the core search engine business, Google also has the opportunity to leverage the power of Gemini to drive revenue growth from the Google Play Store, which is Google's own version of the App Store. To understand this better, let us first cover how Google Play makes money. Firstly, Google Play charges a service fee of 15% or 30% to app developers on the revenue they earn from app sales or in-app sales. Google Play also earns a 15% commission from subscription-based revenue earned by app developers. And unsurprisingly, Google Play also earns revenue from advertising, which entails app developers paying Google to show their apps at the top of the search results pages in the Play Store, as well as on the homepage to relevant audiences. According to Priori data, the Google Play App Store is estimated to have generated over $45 billion in revenue in 2023. Currently, businesses like Starbucks and Uber that offer their own apps through Google's Play Store also have integrations with the Google Voice Assistant, whereby users can order a Starbucks coffee or book an Uber ride simply through voice commands. The facilitation of such commercial activities enables Google to earn more sales commission revenue from these apps in the form of in-app Play Store revenue. And now, with the introduction of Gemini's multimodal capabilities, combining text, audio, and visual prompts, Google has the opportunity to facilitate even more commercial activities for business apps in more dynamic ways, opening the door for more Play Store commission revenues. For example, during the demonstration, Google revealed how Gemini can recognize movie scenes and apply its own logical reasoning to guess what might happen next.
What movie are they acting out here?
I think they are acting out the famous bullet time scene from The Matrix.
Ooh, nice.
Now, considering these capabilities from a monetization perspective, a user could be watching a movie with exotic foreign locations and ask Gemini to recommend similar vacation locations to explore by showing it a particular scene from the movie, opening up the opportunity for Google to earn commission revenue from third-party apps like TripAdvisor. Aside from advanced facilitation of commerce activities, the Gemini model could also support the growth of Google's Play Store in other ways. In the demo video, Google showed how one could ask Gemini for game ideas using visual and audio prompts, as well as challenging Gemini to one's own games. While it was interesting to see Gemini make up games and solve various visual puzzles, one might wonder how such use cases would become monetizable for Google to drive revenue growth. We'll consider the fact that Google already collects anonymized data on usage patterns for its voice assistant and Google Lens, while maintaining users' privacy, anonymizing and aggregating the data together, which is then used to spot usage trends and help Google improve or even develop new services. Similarly, Google is likely to gather insights regarding how users use Gemini for fun and creativity, how users respond to Gemini's game suggestions, and how they interact throughout the game, while anonymizing the data out of respect for users' privacy, of course. These rich insights can then be used to guide app developers that design games for Google's Play Store. For context, out of the estimated $45 billion in revenue in 2023, over $34 billion is estimated to be from gaming alone. And now the richer insights collected through Gemini's multimodal capabilities through user interactions could be shared with app developers, enabling them to produce more successful apps that immediately resonate with audiences, leading to more Play Store commission and advertising revenue for Google. But there is more to the growth opportunity here. Recently, Google introduced a new app called AI Core. While it is currently only available on the Pixel 8 Pro smartphone, Google will likely roll out the app across all devices running on the Android operating system. Note that this is not an app that consumers interact with, but instead a background service on Android devices that provides all apps running on that device with automatic access to the latest AI models, starting with the Gemini Nano model. So to put it simply, as developers continuously introduce new AI-driven features within their apps, the AI Core running on all Android devices will ensure that those new AI features can actually run smoothly by powering them with the latest AI foundation models available. Keeping this in mind, Google will very likely support app developers through the Play Store console in creating new apps and features that optimally leverage the power and capabilities of Google's foundation models on Android devices. empowering app developers to innovate new kinds of services and experiences to truly capitalize on the AI revolution. In fact, the deep integration running between the Android operating system, the on-device native AI models, and the various software applications running on these devices should optimize the performance and capabilities of the Play Store apps, enabling app developers to sell more dynamic apps and in-app services that gratify app consumers, and improving Google's ability to drive Play Store revenue growth. Overall, Google has plenty of growth opportunities by deploying Gemini across its various consumer-facing applications.